You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this type of liqueur from Switzerland, mainly also France. Let's look at the French pronunciation. Crème, meaning cream, but it designates a type of liqueur. De noyaux. Noyau is French for a stone, the stone of a fruit, so the stone of an apricot or a cherry. Crème de noyau. Crème, crème de noyau. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say crème de noyau. Crème de noyau. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.